But I remember with such clarity coming across a labor camp. At every crossroads, at every major intersection, they had a camp to repair the bombing damage that we had done when we were preparing for the invasion. And we came upon an abandoned camp, and the Jews were hiding in a barracks. They wouldn't come out because men with guns were men with guns. The fact that we were dressed differently had little impact on them.
Where is this now?
This was outside of a place called Rennes in France. And the inspiration for this, I don't know where it came from, but somebody decided, it being Friday and it being Torch Shabbos, we would have a minyan. Most of the Jews in the outfit, there weren't that many in the infantry to begin with, but like myself, were bar mitzvah plus 30 days. And you didn't have to be a Jew after that time. You had done your service, you had gone through the routine, and you were free of that. So none of us really knew the service, but we knew that there were certain prayers that were said. And one of the prayers that we said was the Kaddish. And when we began, from the barracks came the worst amen I have ever heard. And they came out, and they stood against the fence, their side, while we, in a circle. Incidentally, we couldn't find 10 Jews. We found 9 Jews and an Irishman who was willing to help, and who I heard later became a priest in Boston. And at the end of it, I was standing with my back to the fence, and this man reached through and tapped me on the shoulder. And he said, "Bist a Yid? Are you a Jew?" It was a cataclysmic question, because I hadn't been really in the sense of the observant and in the sense of the staying in accordance with the Torah and all the rest of that. But I sort of retreated to the Russian system of dealing with emotional problems, and that is be sarcastic. And so I said, "Vad denn bin ich? What else could I be?" And it was the first connection I had made with the Holocaust, man to man, not statistics, not masses of people, but eye to eye with this individual.